How are you, my dear students? Hope all you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to an EBS home school. This is Amiruddin, assistant teacher of mathematics, morning shift, National Area of English Version School. Dear students, today I am going to take a math class for the students of Junior 1. And our today's lesson number 1. This is the first class for you in 2021 session. Our today's topic is write in numbers. Dear students, for write in any number in mathematics, we use these 10 symbols. Here, these 9 symbols are called significant digits, and this is 0. Using these 10 symbols, we can express any number. At first, for expressing 1, we use this symbol. For expressing 2, we use this symbol. For expressing 3, we use this symbol. For expressing 4, we use these symbols. For expressing 5, we use these symbols. For expressing 6, we use these symbols. For expressing 7, we use this symbol. Now we want to express number 8, and for expressing 8, we have to use this symbol. And for expressing 9, we have to use this symbol. Dear students, these are one digit number. Now we want to express this number. This is 10, and there is no any other symbol for expressing this 10. For expressing 10, we have to use 2 digits. That means we have to use 2 symbols from here. And so we can say this is 2 digits number, and we will put 1 digit in one place and 2 digit in another place. Here we have to use 2 places. Name of this place is 1's place and name of this place is 10's place. We will put 1 digit in 1's place and another digit in 10's place for expressing number 10. Among the significant digits, here 1 is the smallest digit. So we have to put 1 in 10's place. And in 1's place we have to use 0. Okay. Now we want to express 11. Here it is also in 10's place, 2 digits number, and in 1's place, keeping 1 fixed, just we have to change 1's place digit. Instead of 0, here we will use 1. Okay, now we will express 12. Here also in 10's place 1 will come. In 10's place 1 will come, and in 1's place now we have to use these digits. That means 2 have to use here, 12. Okay, now we will express 13. In 10's place we will use 1, and in 1's place now we have to use this symbol. That means 3 will come here. Now 14. Keeping 1 fixed in 10's place, now we have to change 1's place digit. Instead of 3, now we have to write 4. Now we will write 15 in numbers. That means we have to use For expressing 15, we will use 2 digits. In tens place, we will write 1, and in ones place, now we will write 5. Now 16. In tens place, we will write 1, and in ones place, we will write 6 now. Now using digit, we will write 17. In tens place, we will write 1, and in ones place, now we have to write this 7. Now we will write 18. In ones place, we will write 1. In tens place we will write 1, and in ones place we have to write 8. Now we will write 19. In tens place we will write 1. Now in ones place we will write 9. Dear students, now we will write 20 using digits. That means we will write 20 in numbers. Here, if we write 1 in tens place, then which digits we will write in ones place? Here, any digit is not exist. All digits we have already used. So now we have to change the digits of tens place. That means instead of 1, now we have to write 2 in tens place. This is 2. Now in ones place we have to write 0. If we want to write next number, that means 21, then instead of 0 we have to write 1, if we keeping 2 fixed, and if we want to write 22, keeping 2 fixed, we have to write in ones place 2. Okay, and in this way we can write any 2 digit number. Dear students, I hope you have understood today's class. I hope you have got your new books, and so you should start your study. Stay home, stay safe, obey your parents' order. Thank you for watching the class. Allah Hafiz.